In 2011, NASA began exploring Mars like never before, when it deployed the Curiosity rover to Gale Crater. It has been over 11 years since then, and Curiosity still continues to roam the rusty landscape, sending back new discoveries all the time. Join us today as we explore what Curiosity is and how it has been used to unlock the secrets of Mars. We'll also take a look at some of the incredible things that it has discovered in its time on the planet, as well as what the future holds for this amazing piece of technology. Curiosity is a car-sized unmanned Mars rover that was launched by NASA on November 26, 2011, as part of its Mars Science Laboratory, or MSL mission. It was designed to explore and investigate the geology and climate of Mars, with a focus on determining if the planet ever had the conditions suitable for microbial life. At 89 kilograms, or 196 pounds, Curiosity is one of the heaviest rovers ever sent to another planet, along with its twin, Perseverance. The rover is powered by a radioisotope thermoelectric generator, or RT, which converts heat generated by the natural decay of plutonium-238 into electricity. This allows the rover to operate in the extreme cold of the Martian night, which can reach as low as -125 degrees Celsius or -193 degrees Fahrenheit. The construction of Curiosity was a massive undertaking that involved contributions from various institutions and organizations worldwide. It was designed and assembled by a team of scientists and engineers led by principal investigator Dr. John Grotzinger at the California Institute of Technology, or Caltech. The rover itself is equipped with a range of scientific instruments and equipment designed to analyze the planet's geology and climate. These include cameras, spectrometers, X-ray diffraction, and a drill that can bore up to 5 centimeters or 2 inches into rocks. Curiosity was launched from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida, aboard a United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket. The journey to Mars took 6 months, and on August 6, 2012, Curiosity successfully landed in the Gale Crater using a combination of parachutes and a sky crane. Since then, the rover has been exploring the crater and its surroundings, traveling across the rusty landscape and collecting samples of rocks and soil for analysis. One of the most significant discoveries made by Curiosity is the evidence of past liquid water on Mars. In 2014, the rover found clay minerals that are only formed in the presence of water, suggesting that the planet was once much wetter than it is today. In 2017, Curiosity also detected organic molecules, which are building blocks of life and could indicate the presence of ancient microbial life. The rover has also discovered methane spikes in the atmosphere, which could be evidence of past or present life. Methane is an important molecule for life, as we know it, and its presence in the atmosphere could suggest that there is still liquid water on Mars. Another fascinating discovery made by Curiosity is the evidence of past volcanic activity on Mars. The rover has found rocks and minerals that indicate that Mount Sharp, which is located at the center of Gale Crater, was once a volcano. This suggests that Mars was geologically active in the past, and that volcanic activity may have played a role in shaping the planet's early environment. Curiosity has also made some surprising discoveries about the Martian atmosphere. The rover has detected unexpected variations in the atmosphere's chemical composition, which could help scientists better understand the planet's climate and weather patterns. The atmosphere is also full of dust and sandstorms, which can last for months. Curiosity has been able to study these storms up close, providing valuable data for scientists. But it's not just rocks and soil that Curiosity has been exploring. The rover has also investigated the thin Martian atmosphere. By studying the atmosphere, scientists can learn more about the planet's climate and weather patterns. For example, Curiosity has detected methane spikes in the atmosphere, which is a sign of possible past or present life. The rover has also measured the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which helps scientists understand how the atmosphere has changed over time. Another area of focus for Curiosity is the search for organic molecules. Organic molecules are the building blocks of life as we know it, and their presence on Mars could be a sign that the planet was once habitable. Curiosity has already found some organic molecules in Martian rocks and soil, and the rover is continuing to search for more. As part of its mission, Curiosity has also investigated the radiation environment on Mars. The rover is equipped with instruments that measure the amount of radiation on the surface of Mars. This is important because radiation can damage the electronics and equipment of spacecraft. Understanding the level of radiation on Mars helps scientists design future missions to the planet more effectively. One of the most exciting aspects of the Curiosity mission is the rover's exploration of the mysterious Mount Sharp, also known as Aeolis Mons. Mount Sharp is a 3-mile-high mound at the center of Gale Crater that contains layers of rock that have been deposited over billions of years. As Curiosity climbs Mount Sharp, it will be able to study the different layers of rock and learn more about the history of Mars. Despite its many accomplishments, Curiosity's mission is far from over. The rover continues to explore the Martian surface and make new discoveries. In fact, in 2021, Curiosity made a surprising discovery of complex organic molecules in a sandstone rock. This is the first time that such molecules have been found in sedimentary rock on Mars. These molecules could be evidence of past life on the planet, or they could have been carried to Mars by meteorites from other worlds. Recently, the rover encountered an obstacle in its path, a rock that was so large that it blocked the entire road ahead. To overcome this challenge, Curiosity used its drill to bore a small hole in the rock, allowing the rover to drive around it. This is just one example of the ingenuity and problem-solving skills of the engineers and scientists behind the Curiosity mission. As Curiosity continues to explore Mars, it will undoubtedly make even more fascinating discoveries. The rover has already traveled over 28 kilometers or 17 miles on the planet's surface, and has collected hundreds of samples of rocks and soil. Who knows what other secrets of the red planet Curiosity will uncover? The future of Curiosity is bright, and the rover is expected to continue exploring Mars for at least another 2 years. In fact, NASA has already given the rover a new mission extension until 2023, which means that Curiosity will have been exploring Mars for over 12 years by then. The rover has already exceeded its original 2-year lifespan and has become one of the most successful rovers in history. Curiosity has not only made incredible discoveries about Mars, but it has also pushed the boundaries of what is possible in terms of exploring other planets. The rover's ability to navigate rough terrain, repair itself, and adapt to unexpected challenges is truly remarkable. As Curiosity continues to roam the Martian surface, it will undoubtedly inspire future generations of scientists and explorers. From its groundbreaking discoveries to its impressive longevity, Curiosity has proven that with human ingenuity and determination, anything is possible. So here's to Curiosity and to the next 12 years of exploring the red planet. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an exciting update from our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.